What is up, YouTube? Jazz Trades here, coming at you with another YouTube video. Let's get into it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just have to check to see if everything's working properly since I got a new computer. Give me 1 second. There we go. Then I gotta adjust. For now, I will figure that out later on, but for now, guys, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. Jazz Trades here, coming at you with another YouTube video. I'm currently in a 1 micro short. Yes, I am down the past couple of days. I have been fighting some more with this 0.236 fib. Okay. Also have been noticing that the RSI has been going lower as this has been going higher, which is a bearish divergence over time. A lot of people would consider this a continuation pattern, which it might be, and it might scorn up from here. But I am fighting it. I do believe that we are going to see a crash, and I do think that the 0.236 is an extreme place to break upwards. Lots of resistance, lots of sellers. We are in the red zone here. So unless we skyrocket and go higher than this hill right here, I do not see us breaking out of the 0.236. I do think we're going to go down from here. So I put a 1 micro short because of that. Okay. And that's what I'm currently in. As far as where my stop is at, currently my stop is $60 above, which is a $300 loss in total. Okay, but that's more of an emergency stop. I will be keeping an eye on this trade overnight. I have alarms set in case it does go higher than expected, and probably get out of the trade. You know, sooner than minus 300. But then again, you never know. Could be a really quick move up. So if you guys are going to join in on this trade, just be careful. Make sure you have enough margin to trade with, like I do. After this trade, if it were not to work out, I would still be sitting pretty with $400 left to trade with. Okay. Guys, this is the current stats. Okay. They're all the same. But this is for those of you who don't know, the consistency rule, the way it works is you have your biggest day. It's up here, right? $275.11. That was my biggest day so far. Divided by the profit since payout, okay, which I haven't gotten payout yet. And then below it says profit required to reach 20% consistency is $13.75. So basically, it all depends on what your biggest day is. So I don't want to go any higher than $300 in profit in one day. If I were, then I have to actually make more money than $1,500 to reach that 20% consistency rule. That's how that works. Okay, so in this case, it would be 275 divided by 1375, which would equate to 20% consistency. Okay. Number one rule, can't go below, or the one rule that they have is I can't go below this. Remember, it's an end of day drawdown, so whatever my highest profit is, which in this case was 25,500 something. Okay, 551.47 is what I'm assuming, because you can see it here. Okay, can't go below that, and I'm currently at 25,250. So $300 loss would not bring me lower. Oops, sorry about that. Would not bring me lower than this number here. Okay. Anyway, guys, that is what's going on. That is what I see in the charts, And even though we did technically break out of this level, go back to the hourly here. Okay. Even though we did technically break out of this red fib line, as well as, if we were to draw a thing here, we broke out of this as well. That would be considered bullish for a lot of people. But I don't know. It just doesn't seem right to me. It doesn't seem sound. I've seen this a lot. Could be a fake out. So that is what I'm playing. I'm playing a fake out. Okay? Anywho. Anyway. Guys, if you're interested in following my journey, I am going from 5 Tradeify accounts, which is what I have currently, to a $5,000 pullout. Then I will use part of that money to buy 11 Fibonacci accounts, followed by a $5,000 pullout from Tradeify and a $7,500 pullout each time from Fibonacci. After I get one payout from Fibonacci, I will move on to 5 take profit trader accounts in which I can pull out up to, can't remember how much per account, but we will get to that down the line. Okay? In total, having 21 streams of income before buying 2,300K Apex accounts and just knocking those out of the park. Creating a trading empire here. If you guys are interested in that and following my journey on how to do this, how to do that, how to be successful in that, really it's just slow and steady wins the race. But if you guys are looking for motivation and slow and steady wins the race progress, my channel is the one for you. Click on subscribe, hit that bell notification down below. Okay? Jazz Trades here. If you guys are interested in Think Capital, it's another firm that I am currently working with. Okay? You can have up to $600,000 in funding. Up here, that's what it says. You can have profit sharing up to 90%. Payout frequency is 14 days. And you can actually scale up to 1.5 million. They do this in the form of either a one-phase evaluation, a two-phase evaluation, or a three-phase evaluation. Okay? And obviously, if you do the 3 phases, it's cheaper. I'm currently doing a $10,000 account and buying $79 where I have to make 7% of the account, then 6%, then 5%. Okay? I did break a daily loss limit, which was a hard rule break. You can't break that rule. They do fail you if you do that. So just be careful of that. But other than that, guys, this firm is crazy awesome. If you guys are interested in getting that discount for the bigger accounts or even the smaller ones, it's 5% off. Jazz Trades, capital J-A-Z, lowercase trades. Okay? And if you guys are interested in getting 90% off Apex right now and about 80% off Fibonacci right now, I have links down below for those as well. Okay, guys, if you are trading out there, I hope you kill it in the markets. Remember, keep it slow, keep it steady. Peace. Peace out.